In this video, we will cover the radio mode and how to use voice commands and the steering wheel controls. To access radio stations using voice commands, start by pressing the voice button on the steering wheel.
Please say a command.
Sirius XM, channel 24.
Now listening to Sirius XM channel 24.
And there we go. Sirius XM, channel 24, Radio Margaritaville. Pretty simple. And you can also do the same thing calling out a particular preset station. Again, start by pressing the voice button on the steering wheel.
Please say a command.
Preset 5.
Now listening to preset 5, 97.1.
And finally, if you're listening to something else like FM radio and you want to move to Sirius XM, just press the talk key and say Sirius XM. The system will go to the last Sirius XM station that was playing. For more information, check your car multimedia system user's manual or the quick start guide hang tag that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.